Capturing smooth, well-composed smartphone video isn't always easy. Shaky clips and constant framing adjustments can quickly ruin the flow. That's where a phone gimbal steps in to simplify the process. Today, we're taking a closer look at the AOCHUAN Smart X3 AI, a three-axis smartphone gimbal built to make solo shooting, vlogging, and everyday content creation more effortless than ever. From hands-free AI tracking to steady stabilization and smart usability, this compact foldable gimbal is designed for creators who want reliable results without complications. Whether you're filming travel moments, tutorials, or casual daily content, the Smart X3 AI brings everything together in one clean package. Let's start by exploring its design and build quality. Right out of the box, the Smart X3 AI features a clean, well-thought-out design focused on everyday use. It's clearly made with creators in mind. Compact, foldable, and comfortable to hold, even during longer filming sessions. When folded, the gimbal measures just 6.9 inches, making it easy to slip into a backpack or small carry bag. Once unfolded, it measures 1.7 inches deep, 6.9 inches wide, and 4.4 inches high, offering a balanced form factor that feels stable without being bulky. At 14.5 ounces, the weight strikes a good balance. It's light enough for extended handheld use, yet sturdy enough to feel secure while moving. The buttons and controls are sensibly placed, keeping operation straightforward and beginner-friendly. Overall, the design prioritizes portability and ease of use, rather than flashy aesthetics, which suits a gimbal meant for frequent on-the-go shooting. With the physical build covered, let's move on to how it performs in real-world use. The Smart X3 AI is built around three-axis stabilization, controlling movement across pan, tilt, and roll to keep footage steady. This helps smooth out walking, running, and general motion, resulting in footage that feels controlled and natural. Stabilization doesn't feel stiff or robotic. Instead, it maintains a natural flow that works well for vlogs, travel videos, and everyday recording. The gimbal handles moderate movement confidently, maintaining clarity even during quicker direction changes. While it isn't meant to replace professional camera rigs, it delivers consistent and dependable stabilization for smartphone videography. Once stabilization is taken care of, the gimbal's standout feature truly comes into play. AI tracking is where the Smart X3 AI really shines. It features a detachable magnetic AI tracking module that performs face tracking without relying on a mobile app. This eliminates app compatibility issues, background processing, and unnecessary setup, keeping the experience smooth and reliable. With 360-degree unlimited tracking, the gimbal smoothly follows movement across the frame. Whether you're turning, stepping back, or moving around a room, tracking remains fluid and intentional rather than jumpy or reactive. Gesture control adds another layer of convenience. Simple hand gestures can activate tracking, making it ideal for workouts, cooking, or situations where touching the phone isn't possible. Compared to app-based tracking systems, this approach feels more stable and less distracting over longer recordings. For solo creators, this AI-driven system minimizes interruptions and allows filming to continue naturally, an important advantage for everyday content creation. The magnetic AI module also includes a built-in fill light, keeping the overall setup clean and compact. The light features stepless brightness adjustment from 0 to 100%, allowing precise control instead of fixed brightness levels. This flexibility helps adapt to different lighting conditions, whether filming indoors, in dim rooms, or during evening shoots. Proper lighting makes a noticeable difference for talking head videos, tutorials, and live streams, improving visibility without overpowering the subject. Because the light is integrated into the tracking module, there's no need for extra accessories or cables. Like the tracking system, lighting works without an app, maintaining a simple and predictable workflow. With lighting handled, let's look at the creative movement and framing options. The Smart X3 AI offers 6 built-in shooting modes designed to support various filming styles and movement preferences. Modes such as PF, FL, POV, and S allow you to control how the gimbal reacts to motion. Some modes focus on smooth, locked framing, while others allow more dynamic movement for expressive shots. Switching between modes is quick and intuitive, making it easy to adjust on the fly without digging into complicated settings. This flexibility supports everything from cinematic motion to steady, straightforward recording. Rather than overwhelming users, these modes cover most everyday shooting needs with ease. The Smart X3 AI includes an integrated one-touch tripod release, allowing the tripod legs to deploy instantly with a single press. This makes setup fast and convenient for desk shots, live streams, or stationary filming. A magnetic Bluetooth remote is also included, offering control from up to 32 feet away. It lets you start recording, take photos, and switch modes without touching your phone. Magnetic storage keeps the remote securely attached to the gimbal when not in use. Additionally, a 20-inch built-in extension rod expands framing options. It's useful for wide-angle shots, overhead angles, or group photos, adding reach while maintaining stability. Together, these features offer flexible shooting options without added complexity. Powering the Smart X3 AI are dual 800 mAh rechargeable batteries, providing enough runtime for longer recording sessions without frequent charging breaks. Portability ties the whole experience together. The folding design, compact size, and balanced weight make the gimbal easy to carry and quick to set up. It fits naturally into daily and travel workflows without feeling like extra gear that slows you down. When compared to gimbals like the DJI series or Zhiyun Smooth models, the Smart X3 AI feels more straightforward and intuitive. Setup is fast, and shooting flows naturally without unnecessary interruptions. Everything needed for hands-free, flexible recording is built in. No extra accessories or adjustments required. Overall, it combines simplicity, solid performance, and versatility into one well-rounded package, making it a strong option for creators who want dependable results without hassle. So, is the Smart X3 AI worth considering? Absolutely. Compared to alternatives like the DJI or Zhiyun Smooth series, it delivers a feature-rich experience that feels reliable and easy to use. Hands-free operation, intuitive controls, and thoughtful built-in features make filming smoother and more efficient. When you factor in what it offers at its price point, the value becomes clear. If you're someone who enjoys capturing travel moments, tutorials, or everyday content, the AOCHUAN Smart X3 AI stands out as a capable and well-balanced choice. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you out, hit like and subscribe for more content like this.